Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Brad, and this channel is all about optimizing every... Just kidding. Things are changing. All right, so in this video, I'm going to explain what the heck is going on in my life because I'm about to take a step away from my normal recording situation and everything's changing. Actually, my whole life is changing. I have worked at the same job for 9 years as an engineering manager, and I finally decided to step out of the comfort zone and try something different. I went to a new company as an engineering manager, and quickly I realized it wasn't working out. I did not like it. I was not enjoying my job anymore. I didn't get to be creative and try new things. I really was just trying to follow instructions, and it got unattractive to me real quick. And that had me questioning a lot of other things in my life. For many years, I've always thought that to be successful, I need to go to college, get a job, move up in my career, make more money, make upgrades to my life, and start having a more wealthy lifestyle. Also, alongside that, I wanted to start a family, build something from where I live and turn this into my life. And that's kind of what I always thought was success and a healthy lifestyle. Well, I have all these other passions and things I want to try. And during what I was doing so far, I was getting to do a lot of those things, but at the same time, I was really stressed, and I don't think I really realized it until recently, but I just wasn't happy. One of my passions has been travel, and I've been able to do that over the last few years, but only in small bursts. So the big change is I'm about to uproot my life, travel to Southeast Asia, and just start backpacking around the world. I realized that I already worked from home, and I'm confident that I'll be able to, in the future, find some new source of income that I can continue working on remote, but I'll focus on something. Maybe I'll do the same job, maybe I'll do something different. I don't really know. I don't really care, to be honest. What I care about is finding something that allows me to be myself, enjoy my life, get the time back, not be stressed, and really live my life the best way that I can, rather than trying to adhere to what I thought was the way to go about things. So in the next videos that you see from me, everything's about to change. I'm going to be packing a bag, backpacking around Southeast Asia, spending a few weeks in Bangkok. That's where I'm flying into. I don't know how long I'll stay. I booked 3 nights at the first place so I can settle in, get my stuff together, and start researching. But that's really all the planning I'm going to do. I'll talk about what I'm gonna pack. I'll talk about what my plans are as I figure them out. We'll see what happens. I have no idea what's gonna happen, but all I know is I'm very excited, and I think I'm gonna discover a lot of new things about the world and about myself. So stay tuned, and I'll talk to you all soon. Later.